Hello, welcome to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marsha, and I wanted to show you the August Embellishments Kit that's in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, and it's beautiful, absolutely excited, thrilled. Some of these items I've never made before, and I wanted to show you, and it's something that's very unique for you to use in a junk journal, scrapbook, card making, quilt, block hanging, wall hanging. Oh, just so many fun ways that you could use this. And I will be showing you different embellishing ideas and things and ways to use it on the channel during the upcoming weeks. So it's available in the Etsy shop now, and the link is in the description below. And it will be available until August 31st, midnight Eastern time. Then it will be taken out of the shop. So I hope you will grab one and pick up one and start having fun using these wonderful eco-friendly, natural dyed, and eco-print embellishments. So let me show you. Let's get started. First up is the one I am so excited and proud of. The first time I have ever made a fabric stamped image using nature, flowers and leaves. This is called eco printing. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. And it's on a tea dyed and onion skin dyed fabric. This is cotton fabric, and so it's just for craft purposes, not to wear, and it is not to be washed. So it is, don't get it wet, put it on a craft project and just enjoy the beauty of it. Next in the collection will be watercolor paper that has been tea dyed, and one piece will have two wax seal images, a bumblebee and a rose, and it will be in a variety of colors that you see here. I used purple and green wax to make these two. So you get one of those. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 watercolor tea-dyed papers. And they measure about 4.5 by 5.5 inches. And then you get the one tea-dyed watercolor paper with the two wax seal images on them. And then you get the one eco print fabric piece that is 4 by 5 inches. And then next you get a piece of 12 inches of vintage lace that has been tea dyed, and I let this steep in the pot for hours to get this really rich tea stained effect. Isn't that beautiful? And something that I'm learning as I'm doing all of this eco-friendly dyeing and printing is that tannins occurs naturally. That's a fixative that comes in tea, and so that's why it will keep, the image will stay, and that's why the products, papers, and fabrics that we dye with them, it doesn't fade. Next in the collection will be another piece of lace that will be cut in random sizes. And I have size and measurements in the Etsy shop listing. So this piece is just a random scrap piece. Now this one I eco dyed with onion skin and strawberries. And it smells delicious like strawberries. Beautiful, just adorable. And then this is dyed in that same eco-friendly natural bath of onion skin and strawberries. This is a piece of cheesecloth. All the measurements will be in the Etsy listing, and you get a 7-inch doily that has been tea dyed as well. And there's still more. You'll get a, I believe this is 5 or 6-inch piece. 6-inch piece of vintage feed sack fabric that I have added double stick tape onto it. So all you have to do is peel this piece off and it's ready to be put onto your project. And you will also get this cute ladybug clothespin. You can paint this, you can stain it, whatever you want to do with it, or leave it as is. And I have 5 of these available, so the first 5 orders will include this cute ladybug clothespin. Isn't that adorable? It's a mini clothespin. It is approximately almost 1.5 inches. And then it's about 1/2 inch wide. So this is what comes in the August Embellishment Kit Club from my shop, Markets of Sunshine. So I hope that you will pick up a kit. Now, as a bonus this month, I am starting to offer different bonuses and different sizes of the kit. So the price for this kit is listed in my Etsy shop. So all the pieces that you saw that I just went through. And then as a bonus, I'm making this Caddy tool caddy. So you can put scissors. There's 3 pockets. There's 2 on one side and 1 on the back. And as you can see, it holds this really big, long pair of scissors. Let me go back down so you can see that. Okay. So very, very nice. And it comes with a little ribbon loop and a button on both sides. And again, it will hold a lot of your little tools, and you can keep it right handy. So whatever you want to do, and obviously nothing sharp other than scissors, something blunt in. So this is an add-on, and it's in the Etsy listing, and just use the drop-down menu, and you can add this on if you so desire to have one of these included with your order. Okay, and again, there's only 5 of these available, the Tool Caddy. So the first 5 people to order that with their kit. So it is an add-on to the August Embellishment Kit. So everything that you saw that I have here, and trust me, this is a labor of love that I did for you guys, and I'm just absolutely thrilled to be able to bring this to you. And the watercolor paper, any of you mixed media people, you can, do more watercolors or whatever you want to do on here. And the laces and everything just is a wonderful, wonderful kit. So I hope you will head on over to my shop and pick one of these up. So there are 10 of just the August Embellishment Kit available. And there's 5 of the tool caddies to go with it. And there's only 5 of the little ladybug mini clothespins to go with the August Embellishment Kit. So if you buy the kit with the tool caddy and you're within one of those 5 people that purchase, you'll get the little ladybug as well. So thank you so much for supporting my channel and supporting my Embellishment Kit Club every month. I'm so excited, and next month will be filled with lots more goodies, several things that are first times that you've seen in my Etsy shop and on my channel as well. So I'm always looking for new and exciting things that you can use in your journaling, in your crafting, but also in your everyday life. So the Tool Caddy is one of those this month, and then next month the add-on is going to be something that is going to be fabulous as well. Thank you so much. Keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.